Hello, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Beer. And for math today, we're going to continue working on filling in missing numbers. So I'm going to need you to get a piece of paper and something to write with, preferably a pencil, just in case you make a mistake. I'm going to write with a marker so that you can see it well. We're going to use the dice today to figure out what number we're going to start on. So I'm going to roll the dice. Now we're going to count the dots together. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our first one, we're going to start with the number 7. And I'm going to draw some lines. So I have my 7. I'm going to draw 3 lines. And I'm going to stop at an 11. So now we have to figure out what is happening in between here. So we're going to start on our 7, and we're just going to count on 1. After 7 is, I hope you said 8. After 8 is 9. After 9 is 10. And then we end at our 11. Very good. Let's roll our dice again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the first one, we're going to start at 9. Okay, so make sure you write your 9. And this time we're going to make 4 lines. And we're going to count on to find the missing numbers from 9 till we get to the last line. After 9 comes 10, 11, 12, and 13. Very good. Let's roll for our next number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to start with a 5. And let's make a line, an 8, and a line. Now this time I'm going to pause for a moment and I'm going to see if you can figure it out before we do it together. Okay, I'm going to give you the answers now. If you haven't figured out the answers yet, it's okay if you pause the video, and then when you're finished, then you can push play again, okay? After 5 comes 6, then 7, 8, 9. Very good. All right, this time we're going to change it up a little bit. Let's do a line first, okay? And then we're going to roll for our next number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll do a 7. And then make 3 lines after that. I'm going to pause again and see if you can figure out what comes before 7 and the 3 numbers that come after 7. Okay, again, if you did not finish, you can pause the video if you need a little bit more time. If you look at some of the ones that we've done already, they might actually help you out. Before 7 is 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now this one, I'm going to give you a number. This is a little bit harder, and I want you to see if you can do it on your own, okay? But I'm going to give you the number instead of rolling the dice. We're going to start this one with a 15. And then we're going to draw some lines. So 15 and 1, 2, 3, 4 lines after that. And I'm going to pause for a moment and let you see if you can figure out what comes after 15 until you get to the last line. Okay, if you need a little bit more time, make sure to pause it. Are you ready? 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Very good. I hope you enjoyed your math lesson today. Make sure you write your name somewhere on the page so that you can bring that back for your teacher. Okay? Have a great day. Thank you for listening.